Hey guys, today we are making these luscious chocolate cinnamon rolls. They are a chocolate twist of my no yeast cinnamon rolls. So they are simple to make and don't require a long prep time. They are gluten-free, nut-free, eggless. They can be vegan with a few tweaks. There is chocolate in the dough, in the filling, and of course in the chocolate cream cheese icing. They're so good. So come on, let's make them. First, we're going to take light brown sugar, cocoa powder, and ground cinnamon and mix them all together. Next, we're going to add in pea-sized pieces of butter. You just rip it in. As you can see, my little helpers are doing a great job. And we're just gonna mix it all up for the filling. Next, we're going to take our gluten-free flour, cocoa powder, granulated sugar, baking powder, and kosher salt, and just mix until combined. Now we are going to rip in pea-sized pieces of butter again and mix it all together. Then we're going to add in the milk and mix until you get a nice soft dough. Next, we're going to roll it out into a rectangle about 18 inches in length, and we are going to add on the filling. Next, we're going to roll it into a tight log about 12 inches in length. You can dust it with cocoa powder if it's sticky, and I like to cut it into 9 slices. Butter our baking dish, and we are going to add a little bit more of that filling, and then we're going to add our rolls. Sprinkle in some more filling if desired, and bake for about 24 to 27 minutes. Now we're going to take confectioner's sugar, cocoa powder, mix it together, add in our cream cheese, and mix. Once combined, we're going to add in a little bit of water and whisk until nice and silky smooth. We're going to pour this over our warm rolls. It is so delicious and good. I like to top it with some mini chocolate chips. I hope you guys love these as much as my littles do. Enjoy! Thanks so much for watching. You can find the complete recipe with step-by-step photos on the blog Lean and Gray Fare, which I have linked below. And for more decadent, gluten-free, nut-free, and egg-free recipes, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to see more recipe videos just like this one, make sure to ring the notification bell so you never miss a single recipe. Thanks so much.